Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to wash your car. Well, how I wash my cars. I have mine right here. They're both currently wet because I just put water on them. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to use basically the most simplest tools to get your car to look almost perfect. By just using a bucket with a sponge, basic rag to dry your car tire shine, and your waxing for after if you want to wax your car. These two are optional, obviously. So I'm going to be washing this one first because this one is very nasty. I don't know if you guys could tell in the video, but it's very dirty. So let's go with the cleaner one first and let's get started. So first, you're going to want to put water in your bucket. Let's rinse that out. Put some clean water in there. Grab your shampoo from your house. If you don't have any, that's why I'm using this. Works just as good. Then let's rinse the sponge that you're going to clean the car with. Make sure it's all clean. Put that in there, let it soak in a bit. And remember guys, before you're going to wash your car, do anything to your car cleaning wise, make sure your car is rinsed really good. You want to get all the excess dirt off of the car before you start doing anything to it, because that'll prevent it from getting scratches and a bunch of other stuff. So you got to make sure it's watered down very well before you do anything. Let's get it all. Let's grab the bucket and let's start cleaning. Give it a quick dab again. Alright, I just washed off the two sides, and now let's get on with this side and the hood. Now that the car is all clean, all washed, now all it needs is to dry, and whatever excess stuff you want to do to it, like put tire shine, add a little wax to it with a little thing that I have here. But now let's get her dry and let's see how she looks. It's all dried up, so you're going to want to wet it. Rinse it off a little bit. So make sure it's like not hard, because when it gets dry, it gets hard. So you're gonna want to water and then rinse it down. Make sure she's all soft and it's good to go. All right, so I just finished. Give you guys a little walk around. She's probably a little wet on little spots, but it's good enough to give you guys a little walk around. She's looking super clean and shiny. And I've had this car for almost 4 years now, and I haven't done any detailing or anything to it, and it just sits in the sun. All right guys, so I just finished cleaning my FRS, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean this one. I'm not gonna show you much of this one because it's the same method. I'm gonna use the same thing, same product, same everything. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's very dirty, like very dirty. And that's because I rinsed off like a bunch of dirt that I had on it, but it's very dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it, and then I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna go out on the road, and we're gonna shoot some rollers of this car. And I'd probably insert it here, or if not, you guys could go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. It's gonna be linked right here. So yeah, follow me on Instagram and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.
Come on, I want a remix again. Come on, I think I want a remix again. Come on.
This goes out to my Brooklyn crew, representing on the freaky bitches. Fuck them all day, fuck them all night. We don't love these hoes.
I want a remix again. I think I want a remix again. Come on, Bad Boy, 9-8, B.I.G. Come on, greatest. Come on.
I go on and on and on and don't take them to the crib unless they boning. Easy, call them on the phone and platinum Chanel cologne and I stay dressed to impress. Sparking bitches' interest. Sex is all I expect as they watch TV in the Lex. They know. 4:15, left the club tipsy. Say no more, except how I'm getting home tomorrow. Caesar drop you off when he sees P.O. Back in my mind, I hope she swallow. Man, she spilled the drink on my cream wallows. Reach the gate, hungry just ate. Rippin', she got to be to work by 8. This must mean she ain't trying to wait. Conversate, sex on the first date. I state, you know what you do to me. She starts off, well, I don't usually. Then I whipped it out, rubber no doubt. Step out, show me what you all about. Fingers in your mouth, open up your blouse, pull your G-string down south. Threw that back out in the parking lot. Buy a Cherokee and a green drop top. And I don't stop until I squirt, jeans, skirt, butt naked, it all works.